Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to create a post on Reddit. So let's get started. At first let's get into Reddit app. Now in the bottom we can see this create option over here. Simply tap on this. Now add the title and you can add the body text as well. Now you can add the attachment from here, and once you are done with everything simply click on next. And you can post to any of this community you want. So let's tap on this one. We need to add tags as well. So tag someone you want and click on apply. And here we need to add some attachment as well. So here we can see this post button over here. If you simply tap on this, the post will be posted. So this is all how we can create a post in Reddit and post it. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.